head. So guys, what's up? We are seeing what's inside a fidget cube. Jacob's going to be my cameraman. Also, shout out to George H. He made a thumbnail. Stop trying to scare me. So we're going to do a simple little drop test. I'm just going to drop it onto the floor. Nothing happens. Alright, so where should we go?
Head outside.
Alright, let's do it from the bottom balcony first, into your back garden.
Okay.
Really might be short, but let's just go. Ready? 3. Wait, I need to get the thumbnail quickly. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I didn't even do much. We can fix that.
Yeah, Ben, fix it.
I'll fix it, and then so we can move on to the hammer.
Yeah.
Take a filming.
The hammer. Everyone likes to get out ham. Thor and his mighty hammer. Ben, can you please cut that bit out?
Okay, guys, so I'll fix it now. I'm going to bounce on the trampoline.
Oh, then throw it down.
And then throw it upwards like that.
Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Right, guys, so this is a part of it. This is the part. Okay, so guys, this part, every part is like flew down here. Got this. Got the lid.
All right. Wait, let's look what we got. Okay. So, oh look, there's a switch. Oh, yeah. I can put this all back together again.
Put it back then.
So we can move on to the hammer.
Hammer.
So guys, we're gonna move on to the hammer now. Here it is. So, let's just go. We put it on the button side because when we threw it down, the button came off. So, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, I want to see what's this thing.
I'm standing back, but I'm gonna. Oh, you didn't get the close-up shot. Oh my God, Ben's hammering it down, guys.
Yes, look at the metal wall. The metal wall came out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wait. So the metal wall would have gone here.
Wait, guys, leave in the comments below if you think Ben can actually fix this.
No way. Right. Oh, there's a button.
Oh, there's a button. Wait, where is?
Wait.
So look, guys, it looks like.
This is the button that makes a noise.
Oh yeah.
So, this is like the outer shell. We've got literally taken out all of it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait, look. I'll line up all the buttons. This goes with the ball here. So yeah, that's the spinning thing, and then this is the case.
I'm really confused.
Okay. Yeah, look, that's the case. That's where the buttons and the thing go. That's where the switch. Look, the switch is actually pretty cool. It's here.
Shove that like on like a wall and everything. Hey guys, I've got my light switch. Why is it not doing anything?
Okay.
It's just a prank, bro.
So we have finished all of this. Oh wait, we have to put it in the bin now. So, we're going to do what's inside this Nerf gun. Alright, let's go straight into it. Jacob actually has 2 of these. So, that's why I don't really care. It's literally not breaking.
Well, Ben, can I have a go at trying to hammer it down?
Hey, it's your video.
What?
It's your video.
Okay, ready? Yep.
3, 2, 1. this is actually like really hard to break. You see this?
Yep.
It drops it from up there and it didn't do anything. I've gone at it. I'm gonna get up here, take up a couple of hammer. I'm just gonna throw it up there and drop it onto the hammer. Ready?
Yep.
So the actual back part is actually starting to crack, like there. So it's actually doing nothing. Why isn't it breaking?
Let me try. I bet you'll be able to do it.
Ready?
Yep. It's dangerous. It's dangerous. It's danger Ben in the house.
No. I don't know how to destroy it. There's like a hole. How did that hole get there?
When it wasn't recording, I whacked it with this knobble of the hammer.
Oh,
That knobble.
oh, we just went straight through.
I swear to God, if this isn't film, I'm going to come with it. Listen, guys, wait, Ben.
Right.
Wait, Ben. React in slow motion what you just did.
I'm going to shoot Jacob now. Would you have... No! So guys, this is the end of this video. So if you did enjoy it, please smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new for more videos like this. Wait, do you know at the end of this video?
Yeah.
I feel like the what's inside, guys. Do you know when they open stuff? And like, what's inside it?
I'm going to try and beat this.
You missed. So, I'll see you all next time. Over and out. Literally, as soon as I stopped recording, look, the whole barrel and stuff came out. Literally, Jacob just smashed it and everything
Wait,
literally came out.
Look, see this blue part here?
Oh, the spring just came out.
The spring.
Oh,
The spring just came out.
that feels so good. Jacob, I'm getting a pay.
Oh!
I knew that would hit me.
This was good.
I'm getting away.
It's like a dynamite barrel. Look. This is so sick.
Oh no.